a stop into Michael's because they said they were having a big sale, so I wanted to see what they still had out. Thought these were cute right here. So it's just a little monogram piece of decor that you can use in your kitchen. They have a bunch of different letters, and the bottom is flat, which I thought was really awesome. Then they had a bunch of these cute sunflower pieces. So these are real pretty. So if you're looking to change up for the season and stuff, you might want to head over to Michael's and pick some of these up. They were just really pretty. They'd be nice in the kitchen, around the house. The pillows and stuff would be cute on the patio. They had a lot of little decor pieces. This one was cute, real nice and simple. $13 for that right there. They had planters. This is just something nice and subtle, and only $8 for that right there. These charger plates, that would make a nice place setting, or if you have like an area where you have your things out, it's only $3. Not bad at all. And it's like a wood, and then the daisy print. This nice and simple, so it has a little frame because it's a fabric on top with the print there. $13 for that right there. They have stuff for the bathroom. They have stuff for the kitchen. They just have a bunch of nice, interesting pieces. This one I thought was pretty. You can hang this on the wall, or you can just display it like it was there. $20 for that one right there. These little tin cans, these would be great to organize in the kitchen. $13 for these, and they came in 3 different patterns at my Michael's. But like I said, just a ton of really pretty daisy stuff, the monogram type pieces that you can grab. So if you're looking to change up for the summer, you might want to check some of those out right now. They have a lot of patriotic 4th of July, Labor Day stuff still out, still available, and it is part of the sale. I think this stuff was 50% off for these. They had a lot of nice details in that. That one had like a kind of a carving look to it. $30 for it. They have the door leaners. They had them in a bunch of different patterns, different styles. That one was a cute little firecracker one. $30, and you can see the letters are raised. So 50% off, that's $15 for these. Not bad at all. They have cute pillows, and like I said, these pillows would be cute on like your back patio or something. $35, and that's before the sale prices for these right here. Signage, they have signage for big wall hanging type signs, or if you want to just have little pieces around your house. These are going to be like double decor, so it's got like that, and then it's opens, so it's like, you know, the little storage bins. You can put your remotes, different stuff in there. They have metal signs, they have baskets, they have just a ton of nice stuff still left, and they have it spread out throughout my Michael's right now, and like I said, it's 50% off for it. They had a ton of different lanterns to pick from, and these too are 50% off, and this is the chart for that right there. So you can find just nice neutral kind of lanterns. That one is $50. So it'll be $25. They have small ones, like medium-sized ones. They have bigger ones. So yeah, you can find something really nice and cute. And like I said, you can put these on your outside patio. You can put these indoors, all kind of different things. And they have candles, of course, to go with these. And if you don't want to use candles, they have the little LED candles. They have them in sets, so they'll come like different sizes in it. This one I thought was pretty because of the details and stuff in it. So it's like the little raised flowers in those, and those are 50% off too. These, we haven't been to Michael's in a while, but I think we saw these last time. Well, I've been to Michael's every week, but I haven't filmed at Michael's in a while. So I think in the last video we saw these. So they still have some of that. They just moved it over to a different section in my Michael's. So if you're looking for some of this decor, they still have some $10 for that little piece right there. That's something you can leave out really all year if you like, you know, cute little rainbows and colorful stuff like that. You can leave some of these pieces out all year. These vases, just a nice little texture. So they had these in 2 different sizes. And always, like I say, if you don't like the color of something, you can just paint it a different color. I think these are part of the sale too. So you can grab these right here, but they had those 2 sizes in those 2 colors at my Michael's right now. So yeah, just a ton of cute things. It was kind of empty, but still was filled with a lot of stuff, if that makes sense. These pieces kind of give me like a little boho vibe, and they are 50% off. right now. I thought this candle was interesting with the little raised details on it. I have candles that I use, and then I have candles that I display. This would be like more of a display one for me. These vessels I thought were pretty because of the carving detail, and I love a nice wood piece. $25. I mean, like I said, these are on sale, so you can get it the 50% off for these. And they have a few other nice pieces too. They have a lot of other nice pieces too. They had this right here. So you can leave this again standing like that, or you can hang this. I thought that was a nice piece of like a wall display. And that was $60 before the 50% off for that right there. This basket kind of gave me a boho vibe, and it was a nice big basket. This would be cute to for like outdoor dining, to have your stuff in that. I thought that was nice. $30 for that. These I thought were cute, but $15 I thought was a little pricey for them. They do have like a nice little texture and stuff to it, but it's 50% off. But I don't know, it could be a little cheaper for those. These candles I thought were nice, $10. And like I said, some candles I burn, some candles I display, but I probably would use these because just the container is cute by itself, so it's not the actual candle that I have to worry about. But they were on sale, $10, and they just had nice pretty colors and a little wave detail, planters and stuff. So little planters, different sizes, different things. They have those right now. They have some on sale. You can see the greenery. It said 60% off, but the sign was here. So I'm wondering, are these planters 60% off? Because they had a lot of nice choices for those. So you might want to check that out and see if your Michaels has those planters on sale. The florals, 60% off, and people were taking advantage of that. So you might want to take advantage of that too. They had a lot of pretty ones still left. You might have to pick through it based on where you're at. So that was $4 and then 60% off. This one right here, $13 and then 60% off. These are real pretty for the summer. You might want to just set up, a little display. And this is the chart for the 60% off right here. These I think are cute because they give like that, they kind of have that real look because they look fuzzy, but you don't have to worry about, the shedding that comes with it. And they were $10 for those. They had them in a few different colors at my Michael's still left. So like I said, you can see people with their carts filling up on the greenery. They have garland that you can pick from. So you could just make your home look, really nice right now. They also have little faux plants too. LED lights, those were 50% off too, so you can grab some of those, do some backyard stuff, use them in your room however you like. They have different shapes. They had this cute little star one right here, and then of course you can always test them out to see how it'll look and if you'll like it. So they had the star one, they had traditional shape like style ones that they had this one right here. I'm wondering how it'll look in the dark because it didn't really give that much in that lighted store, but they have the little moss pieces. You can see a lot of empty bins, a lot of scattered shells and stuff right now at Michael's. But yeah, you might want to grab some of that 60% off and take advantage of that. This I thought was interesting and cute. You can use that as is, or you can add a little something extra to that. So that was $25 before the sale. This cart, they always put it on sale, take it off sale. But they had it on sale. You can get it in the white and you can get it in the rainbow. It has 10 drawers. These are great for organizing papers, different stuff, craft items. Love that. So yeah, you might want to head over and check that out. The regular floral section, 60% off too, but it's just a little more organized right now at my Michael's. So yeah, you can check both. They had these doormats, $10. They had two options at my Michael's. They had the love with the rainbow print, and then this one right here, more patriotic. It says celebrate. It had like a little glitter detail in it. Bunch of summer stuff. So usually they display like the different seasonal stuff right here at my Michael's. So right now they have a bunch of little summer stuff for the kids, toys and stuff like that. They had a few of the greenery that was on sale put out here. This one I thought was interesting because of the colors in it. So it's like a garland. with the big leaves, and they had it in a pink and then in a blue. These I thought were cute because you can put these in your like tall planters, and they had those. They just had the blue colors right out, but I'm sure they have other colors if you're looking for it. They have paper plates, different things for like outdoor dining. I like these because they had like a little lip on it, so your food can stay on it. And 50% off for some of the summer stuff. So they had these little like tables. So they had like a watermelon, that's one right here, and it comes with 4 legs on it. And then they had a pineapple one. And again, it comes with all the legs. These are just little display tables. This might be cute to set up like a little outdoor display dining, like if you're doing a party and you can elevate some of the food, that would be really pretty. They have the little cups and stuff, and this was a 4-pack for $10, and then it's on sale too. So they had a few different things. They have planters. These planters were real pretty. The colors like popped on them. More of the toy stuff, and then you can see they have like the little bubble machines, which are fun for outside. So they had the bubble like stick things, and then they have these bubble machines, which I think are automated. You just pour the stuff in the bubbles come out of those. And these are buy one get one 50% off for all the outdoor toys right now. These right here, just some more summer stuff. They have little cups. They have the little floaty pool things, just a ton of stuff. This section I love. I was just here the other week picking up some stuff for DIYs because it's like the blanks, and then you can create, stuff. These ribbon packs, love these. $10. You can get them on sale. They come with like 50. You can make some really pretty things. These signs are great. So if you do it in like little signage, look, they light up. So they have the little LED. They have the battery pack in the back, but the way it's done, you barely even see where it goes. So you don't have to create your own, and it's 50% off. So you can grab those. They have it in a circular, and they have it in this rectangular shape, and this one lights up too. You can make something really pretty. And then they have the wood signs here too that you can use to create and have that 3D look. Right now they were kind of wiped out, but Dollar Tree has a sign like this too, a little circular sign with that like same little rainbow there. But they have a lot of different options, and again, you can catch them on sale. So you might want to head over to Michael's and see what they have right now.